Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Unhinged Mom Turns Welfare Check into Total Nightmare.
Dwayne, please! Okay.
229, we'll take over here.
No! No!
Stop it.
No!
On June 7th, 2023, officers from the Baraboo Police Department were dispatched for a welfare check on a woman and a young boy. The suspect, Chelsea, had been taking her child and knocking on people's doors while asking for help and talking nonsense. Chelsea was soon found by police at the residence of a man called Dwayne, holding her son.
What's going on? She's been running around alleyways, banging on people's doors.
No,
and
don't
stuff.
even.
Who is she to you?
What?
Who is she?
10-29. Dad, come in the house. Come in the house.
Come here and talk to me.
Yeah.
There's a reason I'm here.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
have a
here.
seat.
Okay.
Watch your little one. What is your name?
My name's Chelsea.
Chelsea what?
Yeah, Chelsea. But I was told.
Told what?
I was told that we were under technological warfare
Hey, please answer.
in a Bible
Please answer.
by St. John.
Okay.
Please answer.
Okay?
Hey, please answer.
Yeah.
That's your gun?
Dad, can you please get in the house?
Kids are so
And
cute.
this is my dad.
That's great.
Okay.
That's me, Dad.
Chelsea, grab your ID card so I can figure out your last name.
Dad, can you just come in here, please?
Here, let's see.
You know.
Chelsea, he's gonna come in.
Okay.
Show me, get your ID card, Chelsea. Leave the door open, please, sir. I don't know yet.
Yeah.
10-491-86.
What's your name, sir?
Dwayne.
Dwayne, okay.
You guys can't come in here.
Could you get your ID card?
Yes.
Okay, get your ID card.
You guys want me out there?
You can step in.
Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Please answer.
Chelsea mad. Pop said you can step in. That's all they needed to hear. It's lit. You better act right. Get that ID card. Get that ID card, man. They about to get you together. That's all they needed to hear was, you guys can step in. Oh, yeah? Okay, bet.
Got it? You got your milk? Okay. ID card, Chelsea. So we know who you are.
Two, please answer.
My ID
Yep.
Two, please answer.
is in my name is Chelsea.
Okay.
Okay? And the Zion is real. It's
Oh, it's there.
Do you have an ID on you?
I have all this, and this is my ID.
Okay, what's your first name?
Chelsea? How do you spell it?
No. And there's
Is that Dad?
Yeah.
No, that's
Let me
Dwayne.
try. Yeah, maybe he might know.
Dwayne.
Chelsea, why are we here?
Is this unusual for her?
Dwayne.
Because my mom was afraid of me losing my mind, and I'm not losing my mind. I'm scared.
Of what?
Dwayne.
Losing my son.
Your son's in your hands.
I know.
Okay. Lose him to who?
That's Dwayne.
So
Lose your son to who?
people that don't exist.
Okay.
Come here, buddy. I have to get. Okay, so I showed. Can you come here, please?
Yeah, I still need your...
So my whole life I've been looking for family. I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, can you not shine that in my eyes? I don't like that.
How do you spell your last name? Okay. I don't
No,
read
I
that.
know, but I can't see with that light. Can you please?
Can you stop reaching into bags then while I'm sitting here talking
I'm
to
not.
you?
See, he just said that. He just said that. I just said. Oh my God.
Chelsea, sit down.
No.
Sit down. Sit down. What is your middle
Chelsea,
initial?
you're gonna sit down. Or we're gonna call CPS.
Sit down. Till we figure out what's going on. You're all over the place. What is your middle initial, Chelsea? What's your middle name, sir? Okay.
It's.
Chelsea, just a liar.
Chelsea, when were you born?
SOC 221 status.
1989.
We're okay for now.
It's okay.
10-4.
Honey.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
221 Stockton, data person check, please.
Hey, buddy, can you go with Grandpa here? Yeah.
Let's go to the back.
We just gotta talk to your mom real quick.
Okay. You gotta.
You're not gonna put me under.
Just
No, Dad.
stay
No.
seated right now.
No.
They're not putting you under, Chelsea.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not going to put you under.
They're-
Chelsea, we're not gonna do that.
Yes, they are because I was on the video
Dwayne, can you
chat. I was
just-
on video chat with
Chelsea,
Todd,
sit
and he
down.
told me. No, he told me. He told me that. I don't want to lose my son, please.
Chelsea, you have a warrant. Stand up. Stand up.
Catch me.
Oh my God.
You're arrest.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No.
You do. You have those so we don't get them ruined.
No, they're gonna kill. No, please.
Relax. Stop resisting, Kelsey.
No,
You're gonna
I'm not
take your son.
Kelsey. I am not Kelsey. No, I'm not.
Okay.
Chelsea, is there any needles on you? I think it's gonna hurt me.
No.
You have a warrant out of.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
be able to take care
No,
of
I don't. Yes.
Okay, good.
No. No, don't. No, Dad, please. Please, Dad, please. Please, Dad. Dad, please. Please. Okay.
Out.
No, Dad.
Yeah, out.
Dwayne, please. Okay.
229. We'll take it over here.
Oh! Okay.
Damn, who calls they dad by their first name? Like, ain't that kind of weird? Or they mom? Be like, whatever like, who the hell does that? Dad, Dwayne, like, what the, what?
Okay.
No.
Yeah, that means stop resisting.
Okay, yes. Okay.
It's over.
Start
Okay, it's
224.
over.
Do you understand?
It's over, yes, it's over. It's over. No, please.
Stop.
No. I promise. No.
Can you search her for weapons quickly? Yeah.
Dad.
What are you trying to grab?
No.
What are you
Nothing.
trying to grab at?
Nothing, please.
215.
Roll over to her waist.
This way, is there something
No.
over here?
No. Okay.
Y'all just digging, no gloves, no nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
No.
Stop it. Stop it.
Yeah.
Stop it. Knock it off.
No.
Stop resisting.
No. Okay. I'll stop.
What are you trying to do?
Nothing. Please.
Okay, you're not gonna win this.
I'm not gonna win.
Yes.
No.
Stop it.
I'm not gonna win. I'm not.
Do you have anything on you? What are you trying to hide?
I'm not trying to hide anything.
Okay.
No.
Nick, I have good coverage of her.
Okay.
Go grab some gloves, okay?
No. Okay.
Scott, she was trying to reach back here. Can you just take my spot real quick?
No.
Stop it.
No, Dad. Please help me. Please help me.
Who lives right here?
Please.
Dad.
No, I'm Mother Mary. No.
Stop.
No.
Stop it.
Be quiet.
No.
Yeah.
The Holy Trinity told me, I promise.
Okay.
I am the third generation of God. Please.
Check that and then roll on her.
No.
I have a stop.
I've been in a drug
I'm
overdose.
not seeing any weapons.
And this is bad. This is bad.
Onto
This
your
is
side.
bad. This is bad.
Stop it.
This is bad.
Stop it.
This is bad.
Back on your
This is bad.
Back on your
This is bad.
Under your stomach.
This is bad.
Chelsea, you're about to get tased.
Okay.
You keep doing that, I'm gonna tase you.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
You better stop resisting and listen to
No.
the officers.
No.
You are under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Ah,
Stop it.
no,
Scott,
I'm
move
not.
this chair. Scott.
No, I'm not.
Scott,
I'm
move this
not. I promise. I swear.
John, let's
Please,
just
God.
pick her up and we
Please, God.
Hey, Chelsea,
God.
Chelsea,
Please.
we're gonna move you to a car. Are you gonna cooperate with us?
Yes.
Stand up.
Okay,
Yes.
we're gonna stand you up.
Yes. Yes.
Roll your knees
Yes.
to your chest.
Yes.
Roll your knees to
Okay.
your chest.
Okay.
Or just stand up like that.
Okay.
All right,
Let's go to the car.
Okay. Watch your step here.
Nice and easy.
43's unlocked.
All right.
I promise I know who I am. Please. Please. Please.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
It's just a ring.
No, it's just my rings. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. No, everything's okay.
Stop.
I got a message from St. John. I swear I did. I promise that I
St.
don't
John.
swear.
Hey.
On God's name of pain. I never do.
Take a
I
seat.
never do.
Take a seat. You're doing good. Good job. Good job.
No.
Yep.
Take a seat,
No.
please.
Please take a seat. Sit down.
Take a seat, Chelsea. Thank you. Thank you. Both feet in.
No.
Both feet in.
No.
Chelsea.
Please, no.
Both feet in.
Please, no.
Both feet in.
Please.
Let's go.
This is not.
Yeah. Is your
No,
star camera on?
this is not what.
Turn it on.
I promise. No, I promise. Look. No, I want a camera too.
Okay.
You guys have been recording this whole thing. I promise
Yep.
to God. I
I'm
promise.
going to close the door, Chelsea. I'm going to close the door.
Chelsea was put in the police car and transported to St. Clair's ER room to be checked up on.
Chelsea,
Yeah.
you got a warrant. You're under arrest, okay? You know where your warrant's at, out of? I want to say
I don't have a warrant.
Columbia County.
I don't have a warrant.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't have a warrant. My name is Chelsea, and Chris was trying to contact me.
Okay.
Okay?
How's he trying to contact you?
Through John. I seen him dead, and I feel like his soul was attached to mine. And I know this is not what happened last time. I don't think I'm pregnant. That's my son
We
right
hope
there.
you're not pregnant.
Is that
We
your
hope
dad?
you're not pregnant.
Like your real dad?
That's my real dad, and I don't know my dad. My name is Chelsea. I promise.
You use drugs?
No, I did not. I don't. I promise. I promise.
So this is normal behavior for you?
No, this is not normal behavior for me.
What's causing this behavior then?
I don't know, my house. I feel like my house is.
Huh?
This isn't my house either.
Quicker you get out, quicker we leave.
10-23, St. Clair.
After this stop, Chelsea was escorted to Sauk County Jail, even though she did try to escape from officers in the hospital. Chelsea was charged with resisting or obstructing as an ordinance and disorderly conduct as a county ordinance. She was found guilty on both charges due to a no contest plea. Chelsea was liable to pay the court a total of $434.20. Please consider showing your support by liking.
Yeah. No. Nice little fine. Whatever. Hopefully she does get the help that she needs, though, because, you know, she's definitely not wrapped too tight. So, cops overall, though, they did a good job. So they get a 5 from me. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.